Friday afternoon and Craig just told me that he's going to be home a bit late because he's been out in Auckland all day for work. So I hope he comes home soon so that we can still go and do something today. It's 6:30 p.m.
On my home Kingston fish and chips.
Yes!
We also drove past this Christmas market. You can check that out as well. We'll be home in like 5 minutes. See you soon.
Hurry up, dude! 10 to 7 and we're finally off.
On the way home from work I saw a Christmas market. We're going to go see what it's like.
They already know about the Christmas market because I played them in the voice notes.
Oh.
First up, Christmas market. We've already heard some Christmas carols. Oh, and this is we've driven past here before.
Holiday park, yeah.
Yeah, it's a holiday park, so if you have a camper van.
Place to be.
Found a South African stand selling biltong and we had exactly $10 cash, so we bought some. Let's see.
Pretty good.
That was quite fun. Not a very big market, but it's nice and vibey with Christmas music.
Looks like some good food, but we have plans for food somewhere else. So.
We're both getting hungry now, so we're going to our favorite fish and chip shop.
We are at Stumpy's, which is an amazing fish and chip shop just across the road from the town basin. We're going to get some food for dinner.
We're getting food for dinner.
We're going to get fish for dinner. Fish and chips.
Our food came to $16.60 and then we also had to buy the sauce. So I got a small one, Craig got a large one. It's $1 for this and $2 for the big one. So we could both get dinner for under $20, which is pretty good for New Zealand. You can choose between 3 types of fish. Tonight it's hoki, dory and snapper, and we went with dory for the first time. We normally go with hoki and then the meal is even cheaper.
Got our food.
We're not going to eat here, we're going to go somewhere else. We thought we'd quickly come to Pack and Save to get some cool drinks because we think it might be a bit more affordable if we do it this way.
We are going to buy some Bundabergs. I'm not sure which ones though.
So many flavors, I think peach.
There's no peach, you see? Okay. Get a 4-pack. This is good old Australian family owned business, and for a 4-pack it's $6.99.
So for the price of what 2 drinks would have cost at the fish and chip shop, we bought 4 Bundabergs at Pack and Save. Okay, we have decided to come and eat our dinner at the Basin. There are so many benches all around. Teach me how to drive these ones. Christmas tree!
We have our spot for dinner on this bench here in the basin with the boats, and it's a pretty cool evening actually.
This is our view! Whoa, those pieces of fish are massive. what was supposed to be a romantic dinner turned out to be me getting attacked by sandflies, or I think it is. So guys, please let me know what kind of insect repellent I need to get, because they always come for me. They drew blood. And then you have these little pests eyeing out our food the whole time. These seagulls. But I mean, beautiful, beautiful setting. I'm getting bit. Okay guys, we're getting bit, so we are gonna head home. It's really beautiful and it's a lot more vibey now. It's December. It's so nice. It's 8:20 and we're finally heading home. That was such a cool adventure and a awesome afternoon out, even though you got home late from work.
Yep.
See you tomorrow.
Just walk normally. Walk.
My ankles are so itchy.